In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text masking effect in Canva, 5 minutes. The text masking effect lets your photo or video show through the shapes of your letters, creating bold, eye-catching typography that's perfect for thumbnails, social posts, and intros. We'll keep it simple and fast, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to make your result look polished. Start by opening Canva and signing in so you're working in the main editor. Create a new design in the size you need, or open an existing project if you've already got one started. If you're not sure about the size, a standard presentation or Instagram post works great for testing. Bring in the image or video you want to use. Drag it onto the canvas and set it as your background so it fills the entire page. You can right-click and choose to set as background or just drag until it snaps into place. For video, choose a clip with clear subjects and good contrast so details read well through the letters. On the left sidebar, click Apps, then use the search bar to find the Clipping Mask app. Open it. If you don't see it right away, type the full phrase and make sure you're in the editor view, not the home page. Select your background image or video on the canvas. Then in the Clipping Mask app, click Start Masking. Choose text as your mask type. Type your word or phrase, and pick a bold, chunky font so more of the image shows through. Uppercase letters and tighter line breaks can help maximize impact. If your word is long, consider breaking it into 2 lines so each letter stays large. Adjust the mask's size and position until the most important parts of your photo or video sit inside the letter forms. You can resize the text box, tweak letter spacing, and move it around the canvas. For video, scrub the timeline to preview movement through the text. Aim for clear focal points inside big openings like O, A, and R. When you're happy, click Add to Design to apply the effect to your canvas. You'll now have a masked text element you can move, resize, and layer with the rest of your layout. If the original background is still visible behind it and you want only the masked look, just hide or remove that background layer. For extra clarity, you can place a solid or gradient color behind the masked text or add subtle glow or shadow around it to boost separation. And that's it, clean dynamic text masking in just a few minutes.